Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to explore the present perfect continuous tense in a simple and natural way. Let's begin with a question. What have you been doing recently? Maybe you have been studying English. Maybe you have been working a lot. Maybe you have been watching new videos online. If you can answer this question, you are already using the present perfect continuous. So, what is this tense? We use the present perfect continuous to talk about actions that started in the past and are still continuing now, or have just stopped but are still important now. It connects the past and the present, but it focuses on the activity, not just the result. Now let's look at the structure. We use subject plus have or has plus been plus verb ending in ing. For example, I have been studying. She has been working. They have been talking. Do not worry about the grammar terms. Just remember the pattern. Now let's understand it with real-life situations. First, we use it for actions that started in the past and are still happening now. For example, I have been learning English for 2 years. She has been working here since January. This means the action started before now and is still continuing. Second, we use it for recent actions with a visible result. For example, I am tired because I have been working all day. She is wet because she has been walking in the rain. The action may have stopped, but we can see the result now. Now let's compare it with the present perfect. Present perfect. I have read a book. Present perfect continuous. I have been reading a book. What is the difference? The present perfect focuses on the result. The present perfect continuous focuses on the activity. Let's look at another example. I have painted the room. This means the job is finished. I have been painting the room. This means the activity is important, and maybe it is not finished yet. Now let's look at negative sentences. We add not. I have not been sleeping well. She has not been feeling good. They have not been working today. You can also use short forms. I have not becomes I haven't. She has not becomes she hasn't. Now, questions. We change the order. Have you been studying? Has she been working? Have they been waiting long? These questions are very common in everyday conversations. Let's try a situation. You meet a friend, and they look tired. You ask, have you been working? They say, yes, I have been working all day. Now you understand the reason. Here is another situation. Someone arrives late. You ask, have you been waiting long? This shows you care about the duration of the action. So here is a simple way to remember. The present perfect continuous describes an action that started in the past and continues now, or has a result now. It answers the question, what has been happening? Before we finish, try this. Think about your life right now. What have you been doing recently? Maybe, I have been studying English. I have been listening to podcasts. I have been practicing every day. If you can say these sentences, you are already using the present perfect continuous. Thanks for listening, and see you in the next